Switch to satellite view. Disable labels and enable global view. Need to capture 4 screenshots, 2 wide shot with the object centered and 2 close-up shots. Our object will be St. Peter Square and Colosseum. Now we have 4 images. Open DaVinci Resolve and add them to the timeline. Select all clips and zoom in to remove black borders. Stack the clip so that each wide shot is paired with the corresponding close-up. Set the duration for all clips is 10 seconds. Create Fusion composition and switch to Fusion. Remove the background node and split the composition into the pairs. Add a transform node before and after each merge node. Switch the viewer to dual view mode. Lower the blend value of the merge node to make one image semi-transparent. Using the size parameters of the transform node, scale the close-up and align it with the object in the wide shot. Add rectangle. Scale it to cover the entered frames and soften the edges. Repeat the same steps for the second pair of images. Merge both group using another merge node. Now combine the 2 wide shots into a single images. Add another transform node and adjust the scale so both objects are visible at the same time. Create a 3D setup by adding image plane 3D, camera 3D and render 3D, connecting them between the images and media out. Set the camera focal length to 17mm. Go to Transform tab, the camera 3D. At frame 10, aim the camera at the first object. Add keyframes. At the frame 130, move the camera to the second object. At frame 17, zoom out the maximum distance. Also raise the camera slightly at frame 30 and 100. Open the spline editor and smooth the camera motion. Add clouds. Connect them to image plane 3D, then to merge 3D. Placing them between the maps and the camera. Adjust her position using transform node. In the Settings tab of Render 3D node, enable Motion Blur.